Yes, sir. Nice. 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 He's that guy. Damn, Power made a whole lot of mess, boy. Love her. Maki, oh my god, girl. Wow, the detail in her hair, though. Yeah, you acted all on your own, baby girl. Oh, I love that shot. Yes, sir. Studio Mappa know what they doing. Oh my god, this detail. I love it. Studio Mappa on point. Ooh. I feel you, my boy Dingy. Yes, sir. You said what, girl? Now this man motivated as hell. Yeah, that's the motivation you need, my boy. Yeah. That man in the zone. Tunnel vision, boy. Keep your eye on the pro. Oh, I love that shot. No. Mappa knows what they doing, bro. Eyes on the prize, boy. Boy, what do you need that axe for? You don't need it. I mean, I get it. He gotta conserve his blood, but at the same time, like, you don't really need that axe, boy. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot all about that bit where she hit him like that. Baga. You gonna regret that. Oh god. Ah, damn. All of this for some cat. Why? Ooh, the music though. Love it. Baga. That thing butt ass ugly. All of this for some cat. Look at dirty ass. That girl need a bath pronto. Damn. Just butt ass naked. That's a nice grungy aesthetic that they got going on with Power right now. I'm kind of messing with it. That's so dumb. You just let that devil take your cat like that, and then all of a sudden you're just bound to a agreement. That thing was injured. You could have easily just taken your cat back. Oh, damn. I forgot about that, too. Denji, it's about time to turn up, my boy. Come on. Gargle with the blood of children. Dude, a freak. He's like, give me them titties back, boy. That's my motivation. Eyes on the prize, boy. Pochita. Rev it up. Yes, sir, boy. Turn up. Yeah. Damn. Somebody could have died. Yes, sir. Y'all better move out the way. What y'all doing? Nice. Damn. Oh, God. Wow. Wow. This is ridiculous, guys. The way Mappa's animating this, blowing my mind. Rev it up, boy. Yes, sir. Oh, you see his fingers though? Ah! Woo! Yeah. Love this shot. Oh, you scared? Kill him. Let's go. Yeah. Finish him. Yes, sir. Nice. 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 Too much finesse. Dingy gang. You already know what's going on. Chainsaw Man. He's that guy. Bro. Phenomenal. Is this a new ending? Hold up. Dang, this ending pretty dark. Jesus. So they must be having new endings for every episode. That's dope. Studio Mappa in a bag right now, bro. Dang. Yeah, this ending is just ridiculous. How insane this ending is basically how insane Chainsaw Man is, and for what's to come. Pretty much. That's what sums it up. Fire. I love that, how Studio Mappa is doing something different, like having a new ending for every episode. Not every studio does that. I don't know of any other studio that does that, in all honesty. Like, this is the first I've ever seen that, having a new ending for every episode. That's how you know they in their bag and they putting in that work. For real. And it shows. This episode and the previous ones obviously show that movie quality, top tier animation. They did that. They adapted those few chapters like splendidly. Splendidly, okay? I remember reading it for the first time. It was crazy, okay? Fujimoto, his artwork is like grungy, but that grunginess was just like beautifully displayed on these episodes. Okay, Studio Mappa is doing this show justice, the manga justice. I'm so happy. I'm ecstatic. I can't wait to see the rest of the adaptations for the next. It's like 12 episodes total, I believe. So 9 more left. It's gonna be a hell of a ride, guys. You already know what's going on. Stay locked in on the channel. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out.